morning, everybody. Welcome to Mom and Paul Adventures. Sorry about that, didn't get that catch on here, but the camera had bounced straight up as we was going across the lake, and this is our first fish of the morning. We're going to weigh him, and I'll be right back with you. He weighs 1 pound 7 ounces. Paul's got something to beat. Well, show them that crappie. That dude is super black, isn't he?
Yeah, he's pretty, and it's so clear water. It's nice, but he's too small. He gets to go back. Sandbass.
Sandbass. Stopped out here and there was fish everywhere. Sure enough, there's sandbass. Oh, what's a crappie?
Woohoo!
There's another sandbass.
Yeah, nice one. It looks like the same size as the other one.
Yes. I thought it was going to be one of them sandbass.
Not gonna weigh it?
No, not right now.
Another one. Look at you.
Oh, goodness. Got a brown jig on now. We've tried everything. We're up here in Longtown in clear water, and we have not been able to get anything hardly to bite. They'll follow. We change colors.
Golly. It's 3 in a row right here. 3 minutes, 3 fish. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Is that a crappie? Nope, that's a sand. I was going to grab the net if that was a crappie. Good catch them all, though.
Crappie.
Crappie, good crappie. These are the first fish I've ever caught on these brown jigs. No, I'm putting them in the boat. I'm ready to go, are you? You was ready to go home a minute ago.
We've been out here forever seeing beautiful fish in a beautiful location, but we weren't catching any fish.
At all.
That's all I was thinking about. I could be mowing.
Who in
GoPro?
their right mind thinks of mowing? Not me. Hey, hey.
Sandbass, I'm sure. Woohoo, I hear that whistling noise.
Which one? It's a sandbass.
You got 2? Yep, got 2. Got a double. Went from not catching fish to pulling 2 at a time. Good job, Paul.
Location, location, location.
It's a crappie.
Out here? Good.
Golly. Just hanging it out of the boat while Daryl drives. Barely had him. Yep, you did the same, but yours is a sandbass.
Yep, mine's gonna be a sandy.
They sure can fight. Ooh, another double. Check you out, Paul. Another double.
Just took up the slack and he was...
Got mine too, dang it.
That had 2 jigs on it when I cast it.
Man, get in this
You got
boat.
him or he got you?
Yeah, get in here.
He's a fat one, isn't he?
It's definitely not our target species, but it's fun, and I can't stop thinking about my grandsons.
Throw him over here, I've had you blocked.
Ooh, get in there, get in there, get in there. Get. Come on, get it.
Wait, Mama,
I want a double. When they fight, you might get a double. Come on, get in this boat.
You know, if you had a crappie fighting like that.
Ain't no kidding. Oh, I got a double.
You got him.
Get in this boat.
Have you got him yet?
Now we're gonna have our competition watching us. Get in here. 2 of them. How's this go? My second double on this little miniature fishing pole.
No?
Todd Huckabee crappie pole. So, you know what, Paul?
What, Ma?
I'm figuring you out. You're a pretty smart feller. You're using that. You're using that baby pole, so it makes it look like something like really huge.
Like that?
That's a big one. Probably, yeah, that's a big one. Wow, listen to it.
That's a good sandbass. A big old sandbass.
Bigger than yours.
Yep.
Woohoo! Fish on. Stop it.
Look what you did to me and you.
Me too.
Yep.
Crappie. Right?
Yep. It's amazing how they like that. He's gonna jump in.
What you got?
Black crappie.
Sweet.
Can you tell them? Look at their face. Their face is a different shape than the others.
Oh, baby. Come in here. Get in this boat. Go get a friend. Or get me a double.
What if that's a big crappie?
It's not. I got a double.
You got a double.
I got a double. I got a double. Mom got a double. Paul, you gonna get double?
I don't know. I'm thinking about getting. Oh, yep, I got double. Where are you going, fish? Gotta have two. No, one big one.
You got a double?
Nope, just one. He's not really that big. He's just wild.
Trying to get another one. Is it recording?
I think so.
Okay, yeah, it is. I'm just trying to see if I can bait another one on here. It doesn't look like it's going to happen. We'll get him in here.
Oh, I did.
You did? All right. Well, you're still in. I'll go down. See if I can get another one. You got a double?
I don't know yet. I see one.
Oh, yeah, let's see here. I think I did it. I think I did it. This lot, oh, yeah. It worked. I tell you, it works.
Oh.
You got a double, and I got a double. Oh, they're heavy.
We're putting Huckabee. Look at that one on the bottom.
Two at a time.
We're putting these Huckabee rods to the test today. Ma, we're hung up on a stump. Can you get out and push us off while I'm getting this fish in?
No.
Ooh, look how big he is.
He's a big one.
Ooh.
He's darker. He got kind of gold.
Yes. Longtown America.
You know, we don't mind telling everybody where we're fishing, do we?
No. This lake's plenty big.
You know, I got this one guy. He's so worried that the guides are emptying the lake. Oh, I got one. Stay on here. Stay with us. Let's get a double. Come on, I can tell when we get a double. Oh! It felt like it. Yeah, buddy, it worked. Woo!
Fish on.
Fish on. Hey, we got something a little different this time.
Is that a drum?
It's a drum.
Catfish.
Little striper and a little drum.
Sandbass.
That's what. I said striper. I did.
Eufaula.
Yeah.
Did we ever get off of that?
I think I got my second one. If I don't, he's going back down. I do. Another double, but they're smaller. I could tell that they were smaller. Paul?
Oh, two little ones, huh?
Yeah. that pin.
Yep. It's not gonna do. I do have a fish.
You have a double. I can
Another
tell.
drum, 2 drums.
Ha ha! GoPro, start recording.
GoPro. I doubled up this time on the drum, and what do you get, Ma? You got the bottom, didn't you? All right, we'll get off here and go get her loose.
The one on bottom's bigger. One fell off. One fell off. The top little one fell off, which is good. What are you doing, Paul?
I'm looking for the other box. Did you bring it up there? Here it is.
Come on, I need 2. I need 2. I'm gonna wait till I have 2. Go back down. Go get your friend. Come on. Everybody gone. Come on now. Come over here and go get me somebody. See him? It's gonna work. Right here. And it did work. Come on, Ma. A drum.
That's the most drums we've caught all year put together.
Mm. Oh.
You okay?
Yeah. Is that a drum?
Nope.
Ooh wee.
It's one of my crappies.
Oh, that's been a while. It's been a minute.
On the crappies it has. You see any more crappie?
That was on, wasn't it? Look here, guys. Ma caught a catfish. And Pa is separating the fish in her live well because the live well's full. Boy, ain't that a problem? That's a problem to have right there, Paul.
It's a good one.
Yeah. Let him get his friend. Looks like he might already have a friend on there.
Get away from this tree, whatever you are. He's coming back this way. He's just wild.
Yeah, he's a big one. He's a big one.
What you got, Mom?
I got a Sandbass. I want to get 2, so I'm putting him back down. All right, go get your buddy. I'm telling you, it works. There he is. Go wrap around that tree. Come on now, bring your friends in. Get in on this fun. All right, I give up. I got a single. GoPro, stop recording.
What are you doing?
Put him back down there.
He's a crappie.
Oh. Well, I'll be dang, it is.
It only works with Sandbass.
Yep. Get in this boat. 3 in a row, Pa.
You're doing good. Ma is raking them in. That's 4 in a row for her.
Yeah,
tree.
but they're not all big enough. But, however, they are crappie and hit on this yeller thing.
Crappie.
Woo! Off that tree?
Yep.
Let's see about that. There they go.
Stop. Crappie.
Nah, would you look at this? Would you look at this? He's circling that tree. Woohoo! All right, buddy. Let's call it a truce here. he got this grayish, brownish looking thing. There is a baby crappie. Crappie. What states they call that? Crappie?
Louisiana.
Get in this boat. Now, this gets me excited right here. It's been a while.
It's a crappie.
Oh, we're trolling for a crappie. He's a nice one. Get in this boat. Got him on that brown one on the bottom.
Well, that's great.
It can be brown if I want it to be.
Okay, it's brown then.
Woohoo! Job, Ma. Trolling.
Trolling. Crappie.
Mm-hmm.
It was a crappie.
He's a good one too.
He's deeper, isn't he?
Mm-hmm. He's right there on the edge of that tree.
I'm trying to get to it.
Sandbass.
He's headed out to deep water, isn't he?
Yeah, come on, get me another one.
Sure,
I wanna-
Sandy?
Yep. Move yours out of the way. I want to get another one. Watch this. Watch it. Here they come. They see all that commotion, and then. Oh, I messed up. Oh, I got two now. No?
Here he comes.
I'll be dang.
They're right here under us. Oh, Dallas, you got one. You got one. You got
Oh,
one.
I do. Oh, get in here. Look here, Bill.
I don't
No.
think so.
GoPro, start recording. Oh, you're in the right place. Oh, got a double. Look here, guys. I caught my third catfish today. Something's had a hold of this one. He's got two big old gashes in him. Easy now, buddy. Let's go back.
I see Bill catch something.
It's a little channel cat. Hey, Paul.
Hey, Mo.
We had a good day.
We did. We
Thank-
tore the Sandbass up, didn't we?
Yeah, thank goodness, because I was ready to go. I was ready to leave.
Yeah, our first 2.5 hours of crappie fishing was horrible today.
Yeah, and it's beautiful. I mean, the water is beautiful. The temperature, you know, of course, the sun's out, but it was great. It was great back there. The color of the water is great. The fish are dark. So, but we went up further and looked at this tree and
Got into the crappie, didn't we?
Got it.
You'll see
Yeah.
it.
got into the
The
crappie,
fish
but
up there, how many we
we
caught.
just going from one tree to another. I had my line out trolling just to go from A to B, and I caught a crappie, a big crappie, and I caught several sandbass like that, and it was fun. So I think it's going to be a fun video. So hey, don't forget to like,
Follow our page,
subscribe,
and thank you for coming along on Paul's Adventures and watching us.
YouTube, Facebook, Ma and Pa, Peggy Cotton, Daryl Hightower. Stay with us, guys. Help us make our page grow.